people, alright, welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Leandro and I'm here with the Adobe Photoshop program, and this image represents a rectangle and I want to simulate through this figure effect that happens at the moment that you are drawing. I'd say that your brain deceives you all the time. An example, note this rectangle is gray and all around it is white. Actually, you see medium gray rectangle, but with a dark appearance. Darker appearance. Fix your eyes on the rectangle and note that the gray of the rectangles looks dark. In this way, I will show through this method how the brain betrays and still don't darken the drawing you are making. You reach a certain hue and think it's already good, when in fact is not. I'm leaving this image for a longer time so that you can faithfully fix this image and consequently change that will be made. I'd like to recommend Betty towards drawing with the right brain book. There is the simulation there, among many others that prevent you from achieving hyperrealism in design. Now I'm going to change this background color to black. Notice what happens. The gray of the rectangle appears lighter than before when the border was still white. When you are shading an area that is dark, the one that seemed until then dark lightens, and then recede, and the recede won't be as defined as people should see. The dark background is what does you understand that you are in a game of a visual illusion, the optical illusion. So lose the fear of scoring the drawing. Go slowly. So the great tip for a realistic drawing is to go darker, applying layers. There is no manipulation video effect here. What to emphasize is that this phenomenon really happens and it's up to us to correct it as we draw, right? I don't want to deceive you. I just want to show that your brain deceived you. Now I'm going to darken the rectangle even more so you can make sure it happens. Again, in Photoshop, I will try to change the gray level. Again, I do the same exercise of switching the background colors from white to black. And see that even with darker gray that applied the rectangle lightens. From this exercise you will have a chance to improve your drawings. The point I want to get to is that you should darken your drawings. But for first time applications, you can start with a harder pencil, like a 3H. If you want to have a lot of drawings ordered, you may have problems with your customers. When you deliver because of the poor definitions of shadows, you may be surprised by criticism and not tolerate the situation and get stressed. Therefore, this exercise will help you too much. I'll do again. This needs to be exercised and memorized in your mind, and these failures you won't commit more. And it's more odds to get your job. Very well done. Now I will show a new image demonstration. Look at this one. What do you really see? The red of skeleton or woman sitting in front of the mirror getting red. There are many perfumes there, but it comes that when I looked quickly, I saw the red of a skull. This is because the left side of the brain, which is not detailed, has dominated your emotions. When you want to do hyperrealism, you need to work on this mechanism, the mechanics of detail. Now we show another example that shows an ambiguity of images. What can you see there? I can interpret the image as a child, as a chalice, or even two people looking at two others symmetrically in the shadow. This exercise will help you a lot to make the real interpretation of the image, because drawing like this requires observation of the image as It really is it. But it's not what we do when we have a portrait in hand. We see eyes, nose, but we don't see spots. These are the strange things that will improve your drawing. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and understood. Don't forget to subscribe and share this content with your friend. It costs nothing. A great hug and see you in the next class. See you soon.